Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today we're gonna learn how to use should in French. If you go to my website, theperfectfrench.com, you can get the free PDF for this lesson, and if you go to theperfectfrench.com/freebies, you can get my free ebook. The links are in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you liked it, it really helps me. On Wednesday we are gonna learn how to say the States of America, the United States, and then on Thursday we're going to see 6 common mistakes that you can avoid in French. So should in French is actually really easy because it's only one verb, it's the same as in English. It's just slightly different, it's quite harder in French to conjugate things. So with nous, vous, il, elle, it's a bit different, but we're going to see that. This verb is devoir. Devoir is an irregular verb. The good thing about should is that it's always going to be the same because it's only one tense. Tense is called le conditionnel présent. Le conditionnel présent. Maybe I jumped some steps here because, we only seen present tense for conjugation together, but I'm more interested to teach you an everyday French more than a really academic one. I'm not doing this for you to succeed a specific exam, a specific test. I'm doing this for you to be able to communicate in French, to be able to put what you have in mind in French. And should is a big part of the language. Think about how many times you say that in English or whatever your language is actually. You say that a lot usually during the day. So this is why I wanted to see this one. It's easy to learn, it's easy to understand, and that gives you one more step in the conjugation. So if we review very quickly the pronoun subject, we have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. So remember, we do not pronounce the S at the end of anything. Il, elle, nous, vous. Then we can add devoir conjugated. Je devrais, devrais. Tu devrais. Il devrait. Elle devrait. On devrait. So here you can see that all of them have the same pronunciation. Devrait. Devrait. That's it. It changed a bit with the S or the T, but the pronunciation is exactly the same. Then we have a bit more complicated with nous devrions. Devrions. Vous devriez. Vous devriez. Il devrait. Elle devrait. So here the only thing that we pronounce differently is nous and vous. Devrions, devriez. All the other ones are devrait. So how do you use should in a sentence? That's the part that gets very easy actually, because you always say I should do something. So the verb after should is always going to be infinitive. Always. So the only thing you have to worry about is how to conjugate should. The next verb is going to be infinitive, it won't change. Let's see a few sentences. The first one, je devrais téléphoner à mes parents. Je devrais téléphoner à mes parents. So if you see here, téléphoner does not have any conjugation. This is an infinitive verb, it's a verb ending in ER, so this is extremely easy. Numéro 2, tu devrais aller au magasin. Tu devrais aller au magasin. You should go to the store. Numéro 3, il devrait aller dormir. Il devrait aller dormir. Numéro 4, nous devrions étudier plus. Nous devrions étudier plus. So I got a question about plus. It's one of the subjects that I want to do a video about because it's very, very confusing. Even people who have a really advanced French still ask me that question. When do you say plus or when do you say plus? So I answered that question really quickly on the comment, and I'm gonna give you the same explanation now. I will do a better video on that later. But for now, if you are confused about that, just remember that if you can translate it to more in English, it's going to be plus. So if it's a positive thing, it's going to be plus. If you say je n'en veux plus, I don't want it anymore, it's a negative thing. You don't want it anymore. Well, then we don't pronounce the S. It's a general explanation. There's more than just that, but remember this. If you want more, it's plus. If you don't want it anymore, it's plus. Got it? Another one with plus. Vous devriez manger plus équilibré. I know. Vous devriez manger plus équilibré. You probably think, what is she talking about? Now it's a Z. So, here the thing is, because we link words, and because équilibré starts with a voyelle, well, we're going to say plus équilibré. Plus équilibré. But you can translate that to more, so it's plus technically, but because there's a voyelle after, plus équilibré. Plus équilibré. And this one, we use it a lot. Should know. Elle devrait savoir que ce n'est pas bon pour elle. Elle devrait savoir que ce n'est pas bon pour elle. Savoir is one of the points I'm going to talk about on the video on Thursday, the 6 common mistakes in French. Let's review very quickly once again the conjugation and then I will let you go. Je devrais, tu devrais, il devrait, elle devrait, on devrait, nous devrions, vous devriez, il devrait, and the last one, elle devrait. I hope you enjoy, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, it really helps me. If you have a question about French, about anything, if you want to practice should in French, well, you can do it in the comment section. I will do my best to help you and to make sure that you got it right. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. And I will see you soon for another lesson.